Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to check last backup on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And let's get started. So first we need to go to settings. After that you must go to your Apple ID account and click iCloud. After that, scroll down and click iCloud Backup. And here you can read that a last successful backup was in December 22, 2023. And that's all. This is very easy way to do. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.